What's up guys, and it's time for an official goodbye to the jack. The OnePlus 6T will not be having the headphone jack. Along with that, we also have some other awesome confirmation as well. This is not a rumor or anything, it's an official goodbye, as the co-founder Carl P did a short interview with Tech Radar where they explained why they took this very controversial decision of killing the headphone jack for good. The company says now is the right time to kill the good old jack. Back with the 5T release, the OnePlus disagreed with Apple and their decision, but now they have finally done that themselves for the same reason, at least the reason that Apple told us, which is to free more space. So OnePlus is doing that to free up more space in order to have a bigger battery size. It's not mentioned how much bigger battery size, but it will be enough for users to notice the battery performance gains compared to the previous model. OnePlus also did the survey and found out that 59% of their users are already using the wireless headphones, which made them take this decision as well, which makes Samsung one of the last companies to have the headphone jack in their flagship phones. And I mean, this is an iconic feature, and I don't think that Samsung will ditch it in the Galaxy S10 family. None of the rumors or news point to something like that happening. There will be a design change. There will be an in-display fingerprint scanner on the S10 as well. But again, Samsung is all about options. They're still keeping things like headphone jack, micro SD card slot tray for years now, and I don't think they're gonna drop it, hopefully. But yeah, OnePlus has done it, and with this new change, I think the flagship killer thing from their phones is fading away. I mean, it is still super affordable compared to the other phones as far as the price and everything is concerned, but I honestly think that the flagship killer thing is slowly fading away. So now they're gonna ship the phone with the new Type-C headphones as well as an adapter that will allow you to use the old 3.5mm devices, something that Apple is not offering in their $1,000, or if you go for the 512GB model, which cost almost $1,500, and also there's no fast charging. But it doesn't really matter because Apple fans are still going to accept whatever Apple is going to do. So we're just gonna forget that and talk about the OnePlus 6T. So the other thing that is confirmed is the in-display fingerprint scanner. It will be using the second generation of Qualcomm's in-display tech. Most probably because that is something available right now. Qualcomm is working on the third gen as well, which we will see on the Galaxy S10, but OnePlus will go with whatever the best they have. So it's confirmed that the fingerprint scanner will go inside the display. OnePlus had to redesign the insides of the 6T, and because that is going to be a little bit thicker compared to the older OnePlus 6, expected to be 0.5mm thicker than the previous model. OnePlus had thought of using an in-display fingerprint scanner reader back with the OnePlus 5T, but the tech was not mature enough at that point. So now they are confident that it is going to work amazingly with the new 6T. Also, a Chinese website recently listed the OnePlus 6T and its features and specs and the price. So according to them, the OnePlus 6T will be rocking 3 cameras on the back. Now, I haven't seen any leak. This is all based on the OPPO R17 Pro model, because as we know that OnePlus takes the design from the OPPO phone, so it's a big possibility that they're going to take the triple cameras from that phone as well. Triple camera setup will include a main 20 megapixel sensor, which is said to be coming with a secondary 12 megapixel as well, and a third TOF sensor, or time of flight 3D sensor, which is there to improve low light images, again similar to the OPPO R17 Pro. Now, the official box that was leaked a couple of days ago didn't show any of the triple camera branding or tag, so I'm guessing it could be exclusive to the higher price model. The base $550 model could come with 2 cameras only, whereas the $600 or $650 model might get the exclusive triple camera setup. Now, for the release date, OnePlus 6T is actually right around the corner. We have the October 17th date because OnePlus recently shared the lock screen of the 6T showing how the in-display fingerprint scanner will look on the phone, and it showed that the date is October 17th, and from that we can assume that this could be the date where this phone might get its official unveiling. So here are the pricing and almost confirmed specs. We have a 6.4-inch 1080p AMOLED panel, Android 9.0 Pie, Snapdragon 845 processor, confirmed depth of headphone jack, confirmed in-display fingerprint scanner, possibly a triple camera setup with higher price variant, and lastly a bigger battery. My guess that it could be around 3700 mAh. So that's it. That's all we have on the OnePlus 6T. Some official goodbyes, some official key features. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments section, what you think about the OnePlus 6T. Are you excited for it? And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.